What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unicorn Universe, where we all people, my unicornators, we make videos every single day. So today, I'm gonna be making one of my favorite foods, foot toast. It is nighttime right now. It is 11:44. We are gonna make some toast. So let's get started. So, first thing we're gonna need is a toaster. So, I accidentally deleted on my phone here. Sorry for the bad lighting. I accidentally deleted, well, the editing app, so I don't have that introduction anymore. I don't have cutting cameras anymore. I'm pretty peeved about that, but whatever. So, I got my toaster. Vinyl light. It's bad lighting. I don't know if this will help, but over there. So guys, that helps a little bit actually. So I actually have my phone in the charger right now. Ooh, Pepsi. My tippy toes here. There's a fresh beach coming down the beach. There's a fresh beach come down the beach. Fresh breeze coming down the beach. So, what's the first thing you guys need to toast is bread. So I'll get that. We don't have any bread. So guys, I'm gonna tell you one thing that you guys need to know about me. I don't put bread in the toaster. I put buns in the toaster. It's like, 'cause I like bagels, so I take my buns and I put them in the toaster. Gotta squish the top one. Okay guys, while that is in there, I'm gonna tell you the two favorite things I love putting on it. One, I like to put on real butter. There's a real stick of butter here. I love to do that. And one other thing. I love to put on honey. Honey is one of my favorite things to put on, so yeah, it's a little extra about me. So yeah. So guys, yeah, comment down below. Sorry for the bad lighting, the introduction, and I have not been getting any subscribers or any. That just happened. My gosh, guys, like when you bang on the counter, seriously, look. When you bang on the counter, like the toaster's in the toaster right now. I can't do this, okay. Like, and I'm gonna push down. And like when I bang the honey. Okay, now it's not working. 1 second. I'm sorry if you guys can't see this, but. Really, guys? Anyway. I got my tripod. So yeah, guys, that happened. I don't know, but yeah. So I haven't been getting very many subscribers lately. I'm pretty sad. I wasn't gonna quit Unicorn Universe, but you guys, it is my dream to have this YouTube channel, and I have been like using this cup right here, and like, hello guys, welcome back to Unicorn Universe. We'll film every single day, but now that I actually have it, I really do not want to end it. So yeah. So if you guys could thumb up those like and subscribe and comment and suggestions you would like to see in my videos. Scotty Lee, he was my very first commenter. He did say hi. Scotty Lee, if you are watching this video, please comment down below on something you want to see in this video, and I will be sure to do it. Whoa, you guys. I should put this plate on the toaster and like. Anyway. I don't want to start on fire. I'm not going to do it. But yeah. So, Scotty Lee, if you're watching this, what to do? Now, I'll be sure to check Scotty Lee's for sure. But I'll choose six other favorite comments to look for, so stay tuned for that. So, yeah. Okay, so it is done. You're not supposed to put this in. I'm not gonna do it. No. Stop. I'm gonna unplug this first, you guys. I do not want to start a fire. Ah. Oh my god, you guys. Ah. Oh my gosh, this is really burnt, but I don't care. Yeah, guys, if you're gonna stick a metal knife in a toaster, please make sure you unplug it, because I don't want any people. Oh my god, my best friend died. Yeah. So, this has been sitting out for about an hour, so it's soft enough, I guess. As you call it. Just scrape the top. Put butter on one side. Okay, guys, I just epically failed this. So we have Little Unicorn here. Hello. See, I'm actually doing it. Yeah, she's like, she doesn't believe me because I've been like faking YouTube videos for so long. Now that I actually have my dream YouTube video, she's like, blah, blah, blah. She even, no, this is mine. She's sick, you guys. Yes, she is. Good night, love you. She's going to bed. No, she's not. See, she's like the man of the house, you know. Sorry, this is really boring, but I can't help it. This is really cookies, guys. So that's my first one. My second one. Yeah, it's coming down below. It's lit here. Comment down below if, like, did you know that, like, honey, like, you're supposed to take a spoonful of if you're sick, like, if you feel cold. That is either for a second. This awesomeness up in here. Don't. Yeah, I promise you guys in my next video, hopefully there'll be cuts, and hopefully my end. Hold on. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna end this video.